Dear friends, welcome to learn SAP FIC. Friends, in a previous video, we have started the configurations of asset accounting. We have created the GLs for asset accounting. Today, we will continue the same topic, configuration of asset accounting. And before starting, I just request you all, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and share the videos with all SAP learners. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all the coming videos. Now let's start and continue the configuration of asset accounting. Next step is copy reference chart of depreciation and depreciation areas under the T code EC08. Now the question is, which is in your mind, what is chart of depreciation? List of depreciation area is known as chart of depreciation. As we have discussed about the chart of account. So what is chart of account? We have discussed in previous videos. The list of GLs is known as chart of account. Similarly, the list of depreciation areas is known as chart of depreciation. So the question now is in your mind, that is, what is depreciation areas? What do you mean by depreciation areas? So the area or purpose for which we want to calculate the depreciation is known as depreciation area. The purpose for which we are going to calculate the depreciation is known as depreciation area. For example, we have two areas. As we have discussed in a previous video, the areas, depreciation areas. First is depreciation as per Company Act and second is depreciation as per Income Tax Act. So these two are the depreciation areas on which we will calculate the depreciation. So now we will go to SAP screen and do practical. The T code is EC08 and we will go through a path, run the T code SPRO, click on SAP Reference IMG, then click on Financial Accounting New, then click on Asset Accounting, Organizational Structure. After asset accounting, click on organization structure. It is in the process. Here, second one you will get organization structure. Click on it. In this, the second one, copy reference chart of depreciation or depreciation areas. Execute it. Now you will get the three options. As we have discussed in this also, you will get first one is copy reference chart of depreciation, specified description of chart of depreciation, and third one is copy, delete and depreciation area. One by one we will discuss all. Copy reference chart of depreciation. In this step, we copy the chart of depreciation by taking the reference of existing chart of depreciation provided by SAP in standard system. Now go back to the SAP screen and first we will copy reference chart of depreciation. Double click on it. Now click on this copy. From the chart of depreciation to the chart of depreciation. Here we have to run or we have to give the standard chart of depreciation which is given by SAP, that is 1IN. And here we have to give the chart of depreciation in which you want to copy. So our chart of depreciation is Tata. Now continue. Now click on this continue. Do you really want to transport number ranges? Yes. Now continue. Now you can see the message information chart of depreciation 1I and copy to Tata. Continue. Now you can see completed activities. It has copied. Now you can save it. Now next step is specify description of chart of depreciation. In this step, we change the description of chart of depreciation. Now get back and do practical. We will get back. Now first one we have completed. Second one, specify description of chart of depreciation. Click on this position. Select your chart of depreciation which you have created now, that is Tata. Continue. Here you can change the description of your chart of depreciation. Depreciation, chart of depreciation, you can change the name of it. Chart of depreciation for Tata. Then save. Continue. Get back. Now data was saved. Get back. Next step is copy, delete depreciation areas. Double click on it. Now in this step we will delete unwanted depreciation areas from chart of depreciation. Continue. Here you can see our chart of depreciation is Tata, which we have copied from the standard chart of depreciation, that is 1IN. Now in a standard chart of depreciation, we have copied all the depreciation chart of depreciations. So unwanted depreciation areas we will remove, we will delete it. The which depreciation areas you needed, that we will select it, and rest other depreciation areas we will delete in this step. So first one, that is book depreciation. The GL account is, press F4 key. It's taking little time. Here you can see the list goes to GL accounts. First one, book depreciation. It means our net book value. So here it has taken the first number, that is for area post in real time. So we will select this one because it will calculate as per net book value as per our company act. And second one, depreciation as per income tax act. So we need, here it is a 1 and here it is 0. You can see here also, press F4 key, and 0 it's for area does not post. Area does not post, and 1 means it will post into the GL accounts. So we need 2 depreciation area, that is book depreciation and depreciation as per income tax act, and rest depreciation area is not needed. So we will just select it, the depreciation areas which we no need to see in our company. So we will select it and delete. Now save it. So like this you can remove the unwanted depreciation areas which is provided by standard system. Continue. Continue. Data was saved. So friends, today we have completed this much, and in the next video we will continue the same topic. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.